Hello, my name is Ansley and I am currently a fourth-year student studying biochemistry and health studies, population health. Today I will be your tour guide for the Instructional Centre, also known as the IC building. As the first building constructed on U of T Scarborough's North Campus, the Instructional Centre is designed to enhance learning and student life. The building is home to the Department of Management, the Department of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, and the Arts and Science and Management Co-op offices. The main atrium of the IC is used for many special events, such as co-op networking sessions and employer recruitment fairs. Throughout the building, you'll find classrooms, lecture halls, small group study spaces, as well as an applied learning venue known as the Bridge. The Bridge is a multi-purpose academic space for business, finance, and entrepreneurship that spans teaching, study, research, and experiential learning. It resembles a professional trading floor with industry standard products, stock ticker, and Bloomberg terminals. The IC also has a La Prep Cafe, where you can purchase beverages, breakfast, lunch, a variety of desserts and pastries, and so much more. We also have a rooftop garden, which is a multi-use space for relaxation, social gatherings, and for teaching and learning about sustainable food production. Based on UTSC's Healthy Campus Initiative, the garden follows the theme of diverse healing foods and showcases indigenous ceremonial and healing plants. Fun fact, did you know that each year more than 30 different crops are grown on the rooftop garden? The produce from the rooftop garden, along with honey produced in the Highland Creek Valley Sustainability Gardens, are often used in cooking demonstrations, workshops, and are even sold at our farmers market. Thank you for joining me in visiting the IC building today. We hope to see you soon at U of T Scarborough.